Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on your YouTube search history. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now I'm going to open up the YouTube app here if you want it to track your search history so that you can always go back and see what you search for, say, earlier in the day or yesterday, or something like that. You can turn it on right in the YouTube app. Now what we'll do is we'll tap the profile icon at the very top right here. And then you can see midway down, it says your data in YouTube, and I will tap on that. And then I can scroll down until I get to YouTube search history, and you can see it's turned off. I can tap where it says off right here, and I'll scroll down and then tap the turn on button and scroll down again and hit turn on, and then hit got it. So now my YouTube search history is on, and it will track that search history. Of course, I can always delete it if I don't want specific searches to show up. But now it will include all of those searches, and it will include that in videos that YouTube recommends and shows me on the front page of YouTube and stuff like that. I hope this helps. Thanks for your time today, and I'll see you on the next one.